innovative AI-assisted research tools which sparkle rich discussion and ideas. Today promise to build further on that momentum, empowering outcomes AI in assessment and pedagogy. I now invite Dr. Jamuna Cherian, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, to introduce the speaker and chair the session. Over to you, ma'am. Ma'am, you're muted, ma'am. Jamuna, ma'am.
Good evening, all. Today's session is on empowering outcomes, AI in assessment, and pedagogy. In this rapidly evolving landscape of education, artificial intelligence is emerging as a game changer in how we teach, assess, and engage with students. This session aims to explore how AI can be strategically integrated into assessment methodologies and pedagogical practices to personalize learning, ensure continuous feedback, and enhance overall educational outcomes. From intelligent tutoring systems to automated assessments and adaptive learning platforms, AI offers a wealth of opportunities to make education more data driven, student centric, and outcome oriented. Today's session will provide key insights into how educators and institutions can leverage AI to improve teaching effectively, streamline evaluations, and foster deeper student engagement. To guide us through this important and futuristic topic, I am honored to welcome our distinguished speaker, Dr. Abid Hussain, who is currently serving as a professor in the School of Computer Application and Technology and Dean of Research and Higher Studies at Carrot Point University, Rajasthan. He also holds a global academic engagement as Honorary American University, Nigeria, and as a postdoc fellow at the Department of Creative Technologies and Product Design, National University of Business, Taiwan. His areas of interest span across cloud computing, machine learning, network security, web engineering, open source technologies, web mining, cybersecurity, and law. Sar has published around 30 plus research papers in reputed international journals and has successfully supervised 5 PhD scholars. He has also contributed to the research field through 7 patents and the publication of 7 books, including 2 edited volumes published by CRC Press and Taylor and Francis Group. He actively serves as a reviewer for prestigious journals including Springer, IEEE, MDPA, and InterScience. At Carrier Point University, he plays a pivotal leadership role as the chairperson of the IPR cell and vice president of the institution's Innovation Council. He is also an active member of several international professional bodies like VASET, CSTA, ICSES, and IASTER. We are truly privileged to have you with us today, sir, and I request you to kindly take over the session.
Thank you, ma'am. So first of all, very good evening to one and all present here. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
And slide is visible or not?
Slide is visible, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. So before starting this particular session, I would like to thank Dr. Meher for giving this opportunity to me to share my views and ideas about the AI in assessment and pedagogy with all of you. Okay, so we will start through the agenda of this particular session. Now we will start with the basic introduction and fundamental concept about the AI. And after that, we will move on the understanding in AI in the relevant field of the education. After that, we will discuss about the AI tools and technology. What are the current scenario of the AI with the help of the different kind of tools and technology that we will discuss about the particular slide. Now come to the AI in assessment, AI in pedagogy, opportunity, benefits, ethical, social, and pedagogical consideration, future trends and innovation, and a strategic implementation guideline. Whenever we want to implement the AI in our teaching methodology and pedagogy or the assessment procedure, then what should I do and what should we consider each and everything related to the ethical, social, and pedagogical consideration. Now the next one, next will be conclusion and engagement, and next will be the question answer. Okay, so before moving on the concept behind the today topic regarding the AI in particular assessment and pedagogy. First, we need to discuss about the conceptual theory about the AI. So we all are aware about the AI. So basically, AI is nothing but it is a conceptual theory about the artificial intelligence that is truly depend on the specific type of the input that we are using through the specific type of the application. Now we can say that the emergence of the artificial intelligence marks a transformative era in terms of the education and how can we define the knowledge is imparted access and accessibility for all the number of the person which are part of the any kind of the institution. So now we can say that AI is not just a tool, it is an active participant in the educational ecosystem and provide the facility for enabling more personalized, adaptive and inclusive learning experience. Because we all are working in such kind of the institution, now we can easy to see in the day-to-day life in the role of the AI. So we can say that the AI powered platform can now tailor content to individual student need, learning style and pace, creating a highly customized path for the every learner. So this particular slide is all about the basic fundamental concept, but we are trying to deliver through this particular session in terms of the AI in assessment and AI in the pedagogy. Now both these tools are combined to create a empowerment of the education with the help of the AI. So coming to the next, now the AI does provide or does allow the teachers to make informed institutional decision, predict student outcomes, and intervene early in the case of potential academic challenges. So again, I would like to say the fusion of the human insight and machine intelligence had a more efficient, equitable, empowered, and educational futures for promising to play a critical role in shaping the future of the education by making it more accessible, efficient, and equitable. So, through this slide, we can easy to understand the concept behind the AI. Now, this is our first slide where we have learned the basic fundamental concept of the AI, and we can say that it is the preface of the today session. So now moving on the next slide, what is exactly artificial intelligence does work in terms of the education, in terms of the assessment, in terms of the pedagogy. So first we need to understand that we have already discussed in the previous slide the artificial intelligence, the simulation of the human intelligence process by machines, especially computer system. It means we can easy to work on the machine with the specific type of the application software or the program which are part of the particular system or particular type of the AI based software. So for example, such as learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception and language understanding. In our days, we all are engaged with the different kind of the websites in terms of the educational website like ChatGPT that we will discuss in the further slide, in terms of the e-commerce website, in terms of the any kind of the knowledge system that we are currently using for the purpose of the learning, for the purpose of the assessment. So now the AI combines the various technologies such as machine learning, now deep learning, natural language processing. Natural language processing is one of the very useful part in nowadays, because we can easy to analyze the sentiment, we can easy to analyze the behavior analysis with the help of the NLP, and we can easy to analyze the variety of the regional language with the help of the NLP. So definitely AI is the mixture combination of the machine learning, deep learning, NLP and computer vision. All these technologies are enabled to machine to perform the cognitive function. It can be classified into different kind of types. So narrow AI, general AI, super intelligent, these are the computer based terms, but nowadays we can easy to apply the artificial intelligence for the purpose of the education. So coming this slide, we can easy to understand how the AI does provide the single platform where we can easy to explore, we can easy to provide the useful AI tools, useful application for providing and for creating a better enhancement of the assessment, better enhancement of the pedagogy and teaching strategy or teaching methodology. Now, the variety of the key application are there with the help of the AI. First one is personalized learning, automated assessment, intelligent tutoring system, learning analytics, and virtual assistant and chatbot. We will discuss about each and every terms in the upcoming slides, but now this time we can easy to understand within 2 or 3 lines that what is the meaning for and what is the stand for the personalized learning. It means whenever you are working on a system and whenever you are using a specific type of the AI based application, then definitely AI does provide the facility for the learner, facility for the teachers that can easy to adopt the educational content based on the individual learner need. It means we can easy to apply. Now I am just using the example of the chat GPT. So we all are engaged with the chat GPT for completing the day-to-day task. It means whether we are trying to write a particular letter, whether we are try to find out the specific solution for the particular equation, we are trying to find out the particular code for the problem statement in such kind of programming language. So definitely the AI does provide a single one-stop solution for the purpose of the learner needs, space and performance, helping student grasp concept and more effectively. So definitely the personalized learning is very useful part in nowadays, and every student or teacher can easy to access the contents through the AI as per their requirement. Now coming to next, automated assessment. Now AI does also provide the facility where we can easy to grade assignment. In the COVID pandemic period, we already used already used the different kind of tools like Zoom, Google Meet, different kind of Zoom meeting, different kinds of meeting platform, online meeting platform where we can easy to communicate with the student as well as the teacher. But right now we have already used the variety of the tools which are based on the AI, like Google Classroom, where we can easy to check the assignment, we can easy to evaluate the, we can easy to assess the any kind of the student through the assignment, quiz and exam quickly and accurately, freeing up the teachers to focus on instruction and student support. So definitely in the pandemic situation, we have already used and we have already utilized the different kind of tools and application with the help of the AI. Now come to the intelligent tutoring system. So these are the AI based system where we can easy to apply the different kind of tools, different kind of facilities where we can easy to assist one-to-one explanation, feedback, similar type of human tutor. It means it seems a particular teacher who is sitting in front of you, but right now the AI does provide the facility where we can easy to provide the intelligent tutoring system. That means we can easy to connect with the any kind of the person, whether the geographical distance does not matter. So the next thing is learning analytics. The AI does also analyze the student data to predict performance, identify learning gaps, recommended intervention, and to improve the outcome. We can also apply the data visualization or data analytics technique where we can easy to predict the performance of the teacher on the basis of their input. So we can easy to trace out the feedback across the year, across the particular semester, where we can easy to analyze the performance of the teacher, performance of the student on the basis of their input. Now come to the virtual assistant and chatbot. So we can easy to understand what will be the role of the chatbot. Nowadays we are using the shopping, we are using the educational website, and where we can easy to see the major role of the chatbot. Now the chatbot does provide the automated query solver. That means if you want to ask something with the chatbot, then definitely we will receive the particular answer of the particular things. So the life is so easy with the help of the virtual assistant and chatbot. So this is all about the major role of the AI in terms of the education. Now come to the part of the pedagogy. So why the question does arise, the why AI matters in assessment and pedagogy. So definitely we have earlier discussed in the previous slide that the AI play a pivotal role in transforming both assessment and pedagogy by introducing efficiency, personalization and real-time insight into the learning process. That means the question is again occur, then how can we analyze the process, how can we create a better assessment or better pedagogy strategy for the teaching, for the student, for the parents, for the teachers. So now the AI does empower the educators to shift from a one size fits all model to a more responsive learner centered approach, making assessment and pedagogy smarter, fairer and more impactful. Definitely, different kind of assessment and pedagogy techniques are there. So if we want to create or if you want to improvise or nourish the skills behind the particular type of the assignments or the pedagogy, then definitely we can use the AI in terms of the personalized assessment, real-time feedback, data-driven pedagogy, automated grading, adaptive learning. Now, if we talk about the automated grading, then definitely we never forget the Google Classroom. If I think we all of you have used the Google Classroom in the pandemic period, and we have all automatically calculated the grade through the classroom. Whether the student does submit their assignment, then definitely the grade will be calculated automatically. So now the feature of the automated grading, adaptive learning environment, enhanced engagement and predictive insights with the help of the AI. So we can easy to understand how the AI does involve in the assessment as well as the pedagogy. Now come to the next part where we will discuss about the shifting paradigm in the teaching and learning. So definitely we can easy to understand how the teaching and learning process will be so simple, so smarter in nowadays with the help of the AI. So definitely we can see that the shifting in the teaching and learning is become very simple and easier for each and everyone, from teacher centered to learner centered approach. Definitely, if we are talking about the AI in terms of the education, if you are using the variety of the tools about the AI in education, so definitely the modern approach emphasizes student as active participant in their learning journey, with teachers acting as a facilitators or guides. Now come to the next part, from rote memorization to critical thinking and creativity. Definitely, it does encourage the critical thinking, creativity, problem solving and collaboration, skill essential for the 21st century workforce. Definitely, in nowadays current in the current scenario of the IT or each and every sector has been covered by the AI. Each and every sector has been covered by the AI. So definitely, if you want to nourish the skill, then definitely we need to adopt the AI and its relevant tools or application for the improvisation in the teaching and learning. So definitely these particular tools are very very useful to fulfill the requirement for the 21st century workforce. Definitely we can easy to build the such kind of teams of the student as well as the teacher that will be suitable for the 21st century workforce. So now the AI is very very useful. Now come to the next part, from uniform curriculum to personalized learning. Definitely, we have already discussed in the previous slide where we have analyzed the how the AI does play a vital role to replace the different kind of things in terms of the education, in terms of the assessment, in terms of the pedagogy. So definitely, one size fits all teaching is being replaced by AI driven personalization. Learning paths are now tailored to individual student pace, strength and interest. It means anybody can easy to access the contents through the AI as per their requirement, as per their interest. So definitely AI is very very popular among the teachers, among the student, among the parents and another kind of the stakeholder. Now come to the from static content to dynamic and interactive resources. Definitely in a earlier days, we only visit the particular site and we just read the content. But nowadays, the website has been already changed with the help of the AI. Textbooks are being complemented or replaced by the multimedia content. Definitely, a student can easy to engage with the multimedia content simulation. Now, the concept is already generated or initiated by the central government. That is the virtual lab. We have already seen the initiative by the central government of the India, that is the virtual lab. Now the simulation is very useful, so we can easy to apply the different kind of thing, different kind of content, including image, text, audio, video, and we can easy to provide a interactive platform, because this particular session is all about the AI assessment and pedagogy for the teachers, for the parents, for the student also. So now this particular session will be more helpful that how to adopt the AI to improvise the skill behind the education in terms of the AI. So definitely we can easy to understand now the AI does create a interactive platform that make learning more engaging and effective. Definitely, if we are trying to uh, present any kind of things in front of the student in the classroom, then definitely if we will try to understand each and every kind of the topic with the help of the PPT or multimedia content. So I think that will be more useful, that will be more beneficial for each and every student, and they can easy to learn, they can easy to understand what things are going on during the classes. So definitely the static content to dynamic and interactive resources are very popular and useful in our days of the education life. Now come to the next part, from isolated learning to collaborative and global classroom. Definitely this I'm just using the simplified example of the Google Docs. In earlier days, we have only used the different kind of documents like MS Word, PowerPoint, MS Excel, etc. But nowadays, there is a big change related to the collaborative and global classroom. It means whenever we want to update the particular document among the number of persons, so there is no need to share or attach the document repeatedly. It means once we will try to send the particular document among the such kind of the person, then definitely it will be available and accessible for all the person, and we can easy to communicate via the document. We can easy to see the number of the updates, we can see the number of the timeline. So all of it is possible with the help of the AI. So definitely we can say that the digital tools connect learners and educators worldwide. I'm just trying to say about the connectivity between learners and educators worldwide. So it does not matter whether you are from and whether I'm from. So definitely we can easy to work with together, and we can easy to start a particular journey regarding the specific type of the activity with the help of the AI. So definitely learner and educator worldwide, fostering collaboration, peer learning, and exposure to diverse perspective. So definitely this particular slide is all about the shifting paradigm in teaching and learning. It means we can easy to understand how the teaching and learning process has been completely changed with the help of the AI. Now moving on the next, this is another part of the today's session, how to understand AI in education, why the AI is the necessary part for any kind of the education. It means we are talking about the primary education, we are talking about the secondary education or higher education, etc. So definitely we need to understand then how the AI does play a vital role in the education. We have already discussed about the few aspect about the AI in terms of the education in the previous slide, but right now this particular slide is more about the different kind of the tools and techniques. I have already discussed in the previous slide, variety of the tools and techniques are available in terms of the AI. So I have already discussed in the previous slide, that is the machine learning, NLP, deep learning, etc. So in this slide, we will try to understand how the machine learning is useful for the education, how the NLP is useful for the education, how the ITS is more beneficial for the learner, for the student as well as the teachers, how the computer vision is useful, and how the expert system. So start from the machine learning. It does predict the student performance. If we want to predict or precise the particular performance of the student of the particular class, then definitely machine learning does play a vital role. We can easy to personalize learning content and recommended sources based on the individual learning behavior. It means we can easy to interact with each and every student, whether the student is as a slow learner, whether the student as a advanced learner. So that means there we can easy to understand what kind of students are there, and we can easy to analyze their behavior and easy to nourish their skills towards the education. So definitely the machine learning will be more beneficial tool for such kind of things. Now come to the NLP part. As I earlier said in the previous slide, the NLP does play a vital role for empowering chatbot, virtual assistant, automated essay scoring, real-time language translation for multilingual learner. Definitely, if we, I think we all are using the Google Translation, Google Translator in day-to-day life for the purpose of converting the text into regional language, converting the text from English to Hindi or maybe Hindi to Malayalam or Telugu, etc. So now the NLP is very, very useful approach for the learner, for the teachers, and for the parents also. And we can easy to apply the chatbot, virtual assistant, and automated essay scoring. Definitely, with the help of the NLP, we can easy to identify the sentiment analysis. I quote the simplified example of the Amazon.com. Whether you are trying to buy a iPhone 16, but right now you don't want to buy, but you are searching the iPhone or its relevant things in day by day repeatedly. So now whether you have to visit the particular site Amazon, then automatically the product related iPhone will be displayed on your home screen. It means the particular website is based on the NLP. Now the website does read your behavior, whether the particular customer is trying to approach the iPhone to buy or sell. So definitely such kind of product will be there. So now the NLP does power the chatbot, virtual assistant automated by the real-time language translation into the multilingual learner. So there will be no specific foundation, and we can easy to apply the different kind of things related to the NLP. So NLP is one of the major useful tools and technology for the AI. Now come to the ITS. So we have already discussed about the ITS, that is intelligent tutoring system. Of it does offer the customized support based on the student progress, helping them master difficult concept. Whether different kind of AI based applications are there. So if we want to adopt such kind of intelligent tutoring system, then definitely student can easy to access the content, and we help out them to solve the difficult concept in a simplified manner. So now we can say that the another useful type of the AI will be more beneficial in the education for the student, parent, and other kind of stakeholder. Now come to the speech recognition. We have already seen the example of the Google Voice. So whether you do not want to type anything else for the searching purpose, then definitely you can use the speaker to find out each and everything through the Google or on any kind of the website. Whether we are talking about the e-commerce website, or we are talking about the educational website, or talking about the chat GPT, no need to type any single character. We just try to say something related to our problem, then definitely result will be there. So now the speech recognition will be more beneficial to assist student with disabilities, support language learning, and enable voice activated learning tools. Now next one is computer vision. It does provide the hands-on science, technology, engineering, mathematics, learning experience. Definitely, now the as per the NEP, now the system has been completely changed. We already use the term of STEM, that science, technology, engineering, and management for the learning experience, teach coding. Now the programming field will be more popular in upcoming days, or now it is already become a popular among the number of the student. Anybody wants to learn the programming, anybody wants to learn the coding for solving the number of the problems. Now the central government of India already started the number of the program where we can easy to show your skills, show your potential towards solving the problem in terms of the hackathon. So variety of the hackathons are organized by the different kind of the institutions, so where student can easy to apply or easy to learn the different kind of coding, different kind of programming part. So definitely the computer vision will be more beneficial to teach coding and engage student with interactive tasks. It means the study is or education is not for the reading things. We need to do something. If you want to do something, then definitely we can easy to learn. So that is the learn by doing. So this concept is based on the specific type of the computer vision. We have already discussed in the previous slide. If we want to provide a single platform for the student, then definitely student can easy to learn by the interactive task. Now come to the expert system. Again, it will be beneficial for providing a help in academic advising, course planning, career guidance based on the student data. It means if you want to produce the particular type of the data, definitely the AI based system will be more beneficial. In the US country, where we can easy to find out the particular type of the perception slip on the basis of given symptoms. It means in the medical or healthcare system, we can just supply your symptoms and you will get the particular prescription on the basis of diagnosis on your symptoms. So definitely the expert system will be more helpful in the academic or education purpose for advising, course planning, career guidance based on the student data. Now moving on next. So these are the variety of the tools and technology which are now using by the institution, or that will be beneficial for any kind of the institution or the student or the teacher or the learner or parents also. So variety of the AI based tools and technology in education that we can easy to apply. Learning management system. Whether we will talk about the learning management system, we will discuss about the Moodle, we will discuss about the Google Classroom and Learnist, and variety of the different kind of the LMS learning management system are there, where student is easy to read and take a class, submit the assignment, and we can easy to evaluate, and we can easy to classify the grade, or we can also conduct the proctored based examination. So definitely variety of the LMS are there like Google Classroom, etc. Now come to the intelligent tutoring system, AI powered chatbot, virtual teaching assistant, speech and language processing tools, AI based assessment tools, adaptive learning platforms, facial recognition and behavior analysis tool. This is one of the useful part in nowadays. AI in educational robotics, and last but not the least, data analytics and visualization tool. It will be based on the education, finance and healthcare sector, where we can easy to analyze among the thousand or among the big data. So definitely the concept behind that, the data mining. We can easy to find out the useful data among the largest amount of the data. So I think the data analytics and visualization tool will be more beneficial. So we will start with one by one. Definitely these are the tools. So everybody, I think we all are aware about these kind of tools, and you can easy to find out or you can easy to access the information about these kind of tools through the internet. Now come to the major part, which is more relevant to our current session, because the session is based on the AI in assessment, AI in pedagogy. So these are the two specific topics which are based on the AI in education. So now come to the AI in assessment. Whether we think about the assessment without the AI. So what will be the first thing that comes into our mind? How can we evaluate? What will be the criteria? How many students are there? How can we evaluate? What will be the ratio? So these are some such kind of question are in mind. So definitely, if we want to use AI in assessment, then what will be there? Why we need to adopt the AI in assessment? Because we already know about the AI, that AI has covered each and everything. So why we need to adopt the AI in assessment? That will be more beneficial, that will be more crucial. So this is the slide is related about the basic fundamental concept about the AI in the assessment. So we have already discussed about the role or benefit of the AI in the previous slide, but right now we just understand into a single line the AI will be more beneficial for the education to make them more efficient, personalized and insightful. More efficient, personalized and insightful. Definitely, personalized means we can easy to customize as per the need. We can easy to customize as per the requirement. So it does enhance both formative and summative. That means ongoing and final assessment. Final assessment will be based on the final report or maybe written examination or maybe practical. Ongoing, that means if you are giving such kind of assignment or in terms of the written assignment, in terms of the practical assignment. So definitely with the help of what should we do, different kind of assignment we can do, different kind of assignment we can prepare for the student. So the major key application of AI in assessment, we can easy to understand automated grading. We have already discussed in the previous slide, if we have used the Google Classroom, then definitely we have been used the automated grading. But right now, if we are aware, we are not aware about the AI in assessment, then definitely AI will be more beneficial in the assessment in terms of automated grading, personalized assessment, real-time feedback, predictive analytics, plagiarism and authenticity detection. Now the plagiarism is one of the popular terms during the PhD. So if you are planning to write a particular paper, if you are planning to pursue PhD program, then definitely you all are aware about the plagiarism. Now come to the next part, voice and image based assessment, emotion and engagement monitoring. So different kind of areas where we can easy to apply the AI for the purpose of the assessment. But now again the question is there, what kind of benefits that we are taking through the AI in assessment? So definitely the lot of benefits are there, increased accuracy and fairness. Whether we are working, whether we are using any kind of AI tools for the purpose of the assessment, definitely it does increase the accuracy and fairness among the students. Definitely it does increase the accuracy. There will be no possibility to make any kind of mistake or mismatch among the assessment. Now come to the next part, time saving. Obviously, the AI does save the time for the educator or as well as the learner or the student. Scalable for large student population. We can also apply the AI for the thousand of the students, because it does take very few minutes or few hours to complete each and everything as per the requirement. So definitely it will be based on the different kind of tools that you are using. Now next one is richer data insights for continuous improvement. We can easy to find out, take the advantage of the AI in assessment for the continuous improvement of the student. Definitely it will be the more helpful part from the student side. We can easy to monitor the progress of the student, and we can easy to try or implement the different kind of things for the continuous improvement among the students. Now come to the next part, supports inclusive and accessible testing format. We can apply different kind of testing formats for the student for the purpose of the assessment. Now come to the next slide where we will discuss about the table. You can easy to see a particular table where the three columns are there. First one is aspect, second one is formative assessment with AI. Now the next one is summative assessment with AI. So if we take the aspect purpose, what will be the purpose of the formative assessment with the AI as well as the summative assessment with the AI? So definitely to monitor student learning during the instructional process. And what will be happen with the summative assessment? Evaluate student learning at the end of an instructional unit or course. It means we can easy to monitor the student during the course, during the program, and after that we can easy to evaluate at the time of the final score. It means at the end of the particular program or the semester, we can easy to evaluate or monitor. Now come to the next, focus. It does improvement, feedback, and progress tracking. Now the summative, final achievement and mastery. We can easy to assign a particular grade on the basis of the regular feedback, regular assessment, regular progress. Now the next one is timing. In terms of the formative assessment, ongoing and continuous. Just a minute. When we talk about the timing aspect, then definitely the formative assessment in AI, it will be beneficial for the ongoing and continuous monitoring with the help of summative, now conducted after instruction. So we can easy to apply the AI for the formative as well as the summative assessment with the help of the different kind of aspects. So now next one is AI tools, feedback, personalization, examples, benefit, and AI role. Variety of the aspects are here, and we can easy to apply the formative and summative assessment with the help of the AI for the better learning. Now the next one is we have already discussed in the previous slide, that is real-time feedback mechanism. What will be happen with the help of the real-time feedback mechanism, and how can we monitor, how can we utilize, how can we create a single type of mechanism where we can easy to understand what things are going on with the students, how many students are doing well. So definitely each and everything with the help of the AI in assessment part. So definitely the next useful part of the assessment is real-time feedback mechanism. It is based on the intelligent tutoring system, AI-based writing and grammar assistant. We can also apply the variety of the software, that is Grammarly, Quillbot, different kind of AI-based softwares are there. We can easy to apply AI-based writing and grammar assistant, adaptive learning platform, speech recognition and language learning tools, different kind of Google Voice Assistant. We can easy to apply formatting assessment tools. We can apply visual engagement. We have already discussed interaction part, that is multimedia content will be there. Learning analytics dashboard. We can also use the Power BI on the basis of the student data, and we can easy to find out the progress of the data with the help of the data analytics and visualization. So these are the part of the real-time feedback mechanism. Now come to the ITS. It is a intelligent tutoring system. Basically, it is like a teacher, but it is a type of the computer-based learning environment that use AI and provide the personalized instruction and feedback to learner, much like a human tutor would. Definitely, it may be a part of the human, but right now, if you are using any kind of the ITS or personalized instruction, then definitely you can access the data as per the requirement. So, the major key features of the ITS will be personalization, immediate feedback, error diagnosis, progress monitoring, domain expertise, and definitely we need to know that how the ITS does work. It based on the domain model, student model, tutoring model, user interface. Variety of things are there, variety of the modules are there. So definitely if we are using or planning to adopt any kind of the ITS, then definitely we need to adopt the domain model, student model, tutoring model and user interface. So these are the major part of the ITS. Now the next slide is AI in competency based assessment. Whenever we talk about the competency, then definitely we need to talk about the personalized assessment path, real-time competency tracking. How can we analyze the data to compete with the other student? How can we monitor the particular student? How can we determine whether the student is much better as compared to other? So these are the aspects. So definitely we need to improvise the skill mapping and visualization. We can also adopt the AI powered rubrics and practical tasks. Definitely, if I use the example of the Google Classroom, then definitely AI powered rubric system will be applied, because we can easy to find out the specific type of the assignment and we can check each and every statement. We can also find out the integrity. We can also find out the plagiarism. We can also apply the predictive analytics, authenticate assessment with simulation VR. Virtual reality system will be more beneficial for the purpose of the assessment. So we can also apply the AR, augmented reality and virtual reality also. Now, what are the benefits of the AI in competency based assessment? It does improve the accuracy and fairness, as I have already discussed in the previous slide. It does offer scalable and individualized assessment experiment. It does enable continuous feedback and lifelong learning. It does align assessment with the real world performance and the standard. So AI is not does not only provide the facility for the assessment but also improvise the competency among the student. So we can easy to apply the AI for the purpose of the assessment. Now come to the next part, that is reducing human bias in grading. Now nowadays the AI is very popular among the teachers, among other kind of stakeholder, maybe parents or learner or students. So the grading in education can unintentionally be influenced by human bias. Many times we can bias, but now AI is based on the given data. So the data should be unified, the data should be accurate, then definitely we can easy to apply the different kind of factors like handwriting, gender, authenticity, prior performance, or even teacher improvisation, teacher effectiveness, teaching methodology, or variety of things are there related to the teachers or the other stakeholders. So now the AI does offer a powerful solution to make grading fairer, more objective and consistent. So different kind of grading facilities are here. So we can easy to apply the AI for the purpose of the grading. So some common sources of the human grading: bias subjectivity in essay or project scoring, halo effect letting one good or bad trait influence grading, cultural or language bias, fatigue or time pressure, unconscious and stereotypes or favoritism. Definitely in the each and every class, each student will be more favorite of any particular teacher. So there will be a possibility to occur such kind of thing. But right now, if you are using the AI, so there is no possibility to create a biasness among the teachers as well as the student. It does completely avoid by the AI. So definitely we can use the AI for the better assessment, for the better grading approach. Now, how AI reduce grading bias? We have already discussed in the previous slide. Now the AI does work some such kind of things. Now we can easy to improvise, we can easy to remove. But definitely again the question is that how AI reduce grading bias? It does work on the standardized rubric based evaluation, blind and anonymous grading, natural language processing for essay scoring, it means you have copied such kind of data from elsewhere, then definitely AI already detect. So definitely AI does detect such kind of plagiarized data, and we can easy to find out the data is original or not. Data driven decision making, continuous calibration and training, feedback personalization, and not penalization. So definitely these kind of things are based on the AI grading system. Now ethical consideration means it does increase the transparency. It is based on the accountability, and there is no possibility to perform the biasness with the help of the AI in terms of the assessment. In the continuous improvement of the assessment part, definitely we can't forget the proctoring and academic integrity. So if you are planning to do something new or something special with the AI in terms of the assessment part, definitely we should always adopt the procedure for the proctoring and academic integrity. So AI based proctoring use artificial intelligence to monitor, detect, and flag suspicious behavior. Whether we can easy to again the I take the example of the Google Classroom, and in the Google Classroom we can take a particular type of plugin in the Google Classroom. That means if you are planning to conduct a quiz, online quiz, with the help of the Google Classroom or the Google Form, then definitely you can add on a particular plugin, that is the proctoring plugin. And we can easy to apply this, and we can easy to detect and monitor each and every student who is trying to take a data from any other sources. So definitely it will be more beneficial for all the teachers, all the learners. So in terms of the proctoring and academic integrity with the help of the AI, what are the features? Face and ID verification. We can easy to apply the facial recognition to verify the test taker's identity before the exam start. It will be more beneficial part for the proctoring examination. Definitely we can take or recognize the particular student, whether its identity is okay, then definitely we can allow this particular student for the examination. Now come to the behavior monitoring. It does track eye movement, facial gesture, and body language to detect distraction or impersonation. It means whether the student is trying to move something, take a matter from the particular sites or any other kind of sources, and definitely we can easy to capture his or her behavior. Now come to the audio and video analysis. It does also detect the background noise, secondary voice, or screen reflection using microphone and cameras. Again, browser lockdown, prevent access to external website. I have already discussed that the student is trying to access the external website, software, or screen sharing, then definitely the browser will be locked. Now the screen monitoring, it does also capture the screen activity in real time to detect unauthorized behavior. The last but not the least, that is the automated flagging. AI does also review behavior and generate the reports for the human review only when needed. So definitely the proctor based exam very useful in nowadays in the education system, or we can easy to adopt such kind of methodology, such kind of technology to improvise or enhance the productivity of the examination system, enhance the fairness, or increase the or build the trust among the student as well as the teachers. So definitely the AI will be more beneficial, or with the help of the different kind of proctoring tools or other kind of tools in terms of the assessment. Now the next one is data driven insight for assessment. So what is the basic concept behind the data driven? Because we just trying to learn, we just try to understand how the AI makes each and everything very useful in terms of the assessment. So definitely if you are talking about the assessment, then what will be the major role of the data driven? So it does involve collecting, analyzing, and interpreting educational data. if I take the example of the software engineering and the example of the software development life cycle, then definitely study, analysis, design, implementation, testing, debugging, and deployment. These are the 7 steps where we can easy to apply on the software development process, and after that we can easy to say that the software will be more accurate. So nowadays the data driven assessment does involve collecting, analyzing, and interpreting, because we are talking about the education system, we are talking about the assessment. So definitely it is very useful approach to powered by the artificial intelligence. This process become faster, deeper, and more actionable, sorry, transforming raw performance data into meaningful insight for both educator and learner. So we just talk about the two different kind of stakeholder, educator and learner. So definitely the data driven assessment will be more beneficial for both, where real time performance analytics, we can easy to monitor the real time performance, we can easy to track the learning progress, predictive analytics, personalized feedback loops, item level analysis, single item level analysis we can take, behavior and engagement data, automated report and dashboard. Definitely if we are planning to adopt the data driven for any kind of educational system for the purpose of the good and better or effective assessment, then definitely we can do this. So we can adopt this kind of approach with the help of all these aspects: predictive analytics, item level analysis, and automated report and dashboard. So this is all about the assessment. Now, if come to the previous slide, we can easy to see that the how the AI does play a vital role in terms of the assessment. Now, with the help of the AI, the assessment will be more easy. Assessment will be more improvised, and we can easy to take the advantage of the AI and its associated tools for the better enhancement and productivity in the education system. So these are the few slides related to the assessment system. And now come to the pedagogy. Now again, the pedagogy is nothing but it is all about the methodology, it is all about the concept, it is all about a way that you are teaching, what kind of methodology, what kind of tips, and what kind of tricks that you are using during your classes. So definitely whether we need to adopt the AI, then definitely the education system will be more improvised. The education system will be more useful for each and every person. So we can easy to apply the AI by enabling innovative, personalized, and data informed teaching methodology rather than replacing educator. This is not a way to directly replace the teacher with the AI, but right now we should adopt such kind of things, such kind of tools that will be more beneficial to make the effective teaching. So definitely AI augments the teaching practice, making them more adaptive, efficient, and learner centered. So variety of the methodologies are there. We can also apply the personalized learning path, adaptive learning system, AI powered content generation. We can also generate the content with more effective. We can also create or make a PPT with the help of the AI. We can also generate a content with the help of the chat GPT or such other kind of generative AI based platform like Google, Bada, and other kind of things. Both variety of the things are available, but right now we can use the teaching methodology in very useful manner with the help of the content generation, with the help of the instructional design, gamification, engagement enhancement, and real-time feedback and assessment integration. So again, the role of the ITS will be there. We can also use the, we have already discussed in the previous slide, but right now we are talking about the pedagogy, then definitely the ITS will be there. So the major component is domain model. It does represent the subjective knowledge to be taught, what kind of subject that you are teaching. So definitely math, language, and coding in terms of the domain model. Now come to the student model, track the learner current understanding, error, preferences, and learning. According to NEP, we can adopt the COPO, course outcome, program specific outcome, PSO, educational outcome. Now the COPO contentment. Now apart from this, we can easy to apply the Bloom taxonomy for the purpose of question paper making. So these kind of things are there. If you want to perform something new, something additional in the education system or maybe the pedagogy system, then definitely we should adopt all such kind of things. Now come to the tutoring model, determine when and how to provide the feedback, hints, and adaptive content. Now come to the user interface, it does facilitate interaction between the student system using visual, speech, or text. We have already discussed in the previous slide whether the lecture will be based on the interactive content. I think it will be more beneficial for the teacher as well as the learners. Now come to the part of adaptive learning platform, because we all are aware about the pedagogy. I will not take much time to explain the basic fundamental concept about the pedagogy, because we all are educated and definitely we can easy to apply the pedagogy in terms of the AI rather than the basic or traditional way of the pedagogy. We all are educated and we need to adopt the AI. How the AI will be more effective for all of us to make a effective content for the student. So definitely we need to adopt the learning platform. Now AI powered educational system that dynamically adjusts content and instruction based on each learner, individual performance, preferences, and progress. So these platforms offer a customized learning journey, ensuring that every student receives the right content and the right time and pace. Definitely, if we adopt the learning platform, then definitely we can easy to give the right content at the right time to the student. So, example of the popular learning platform: Newton Alta, Smart Sparrow, Dreambox Learning, Alex by Tata McGraw-Hill, and Century Tech. These are the tools, and we can easy to select or adopt any kind of the platform as per the requirement. Now, the next useful aspect about the pedagogy in AI in curriculum design. We all are aware about the curriculum design. So I think I will again I will not take too much time to define the what is the meaning behind the curriculum and how can we design. I am just try to incorporate the AI in curriculum design. So after using the AI, what will be there? So definitely the curriculum design with the AI, it does refer to using AI tools and data driven insight to develop, adopt, and personalize educational content. We need to again adopt the variety of the things which are already available on the internet. Sometime we need to pay something amount for the particular application software. Sometime we can easy to take up at a free of cost. So definitely it will be more helpful to adopt and personalize educational content, and definitely we can design different kind of curriculum for the different kind of programs, so that will be more beneficial for all of us as well as the teacher as well as the student. So now the key application of the AI in curriculum design, there are different kind of key application. Again, I would say personalized learning path, dynamic curriculum update, skill gap analysis, content recommendation, and AI generated learning objective and assessment. So variety of the things are there. Whether we are ready to adopt the AI in curriculum design, so these are the key application. Now, first we need to adopt the content recommendation system. What kind of things are there? Whether we are ready to adopt the AI for the content-based management system for the curriculum design. So, what will be the role of the content recommendation engine in education with the help of the AI that suggests the personalized learning resources? It means we can easy to collect the videos, article, exercise, assessment. Whether again I would take an example of the again Google Classroom. In the pandemic period, we have already applied the Google Classroom for the regular classes. We have already uploaded the assignment with the help of video, tutorials, article, exercise, assessment based on the learner needs, preferences, and performance and goals of the particular paper. If I am talking about the particular paper that I take the particular paper web technology, then definitely I have already submitted the particular scheme, program, syllabus, videos, articles, exercise, assessment based on the student requirement. So these engines brings the power of the platform like Netflix, Amazon into the classroom, transforming the way learner discover and engage with the educational content. We can also utilize the Netflix and Amazon into the classroom or other kind of free or open sources also. So what is the main purpose behind the recommendation engine? To deliver the right content at the right time. Again, I would say to reduce the cognitive overload by narrowing choice, to support personalized and self-directed learning, to enhance the motivation and engagement through the relevant materials. And these are the some example of the popular educational system. Khan Academy, we all are aware. Coursera, EDX. In the pandemic situation, many institutions provide the MOOC courses through the Coursera and EDX, or maybe NPTEL, Google, Century Tech, and LinkedIn Learning. Nowadays, LinkedIn provide the variety of the courses for the learner or the professional, including teachers as well as the student also. We can easy to take a specific type of the course from the LinkedIn learning platform. Now come to the next part, that is the AI in language learning and science, technology, engineering and mathematics. How the AI does allow to learn something new about the STM or other kind of things. So definitely with the help of AI powered platform, a student can access to adaptive practices, real-time feedback, immersive simulation, participate in the initiative by the central government of India as a form of the virtual lab, and you can easy to make any particular person from your institution as a nodal officer, and you can also take a grant from the central government. So definitely the virtual lab is more beneficial for the simulation purpose. Now the intelligent assessment that support deeper understanding and skill development. So the key application is speech recognition, pronunciation feedback, chatbot, and chatbot for conversal practice. We can also utilize the chatbot for the conversational. That means two-way communication will be there, and we can easy to supply the particular question or supply the particular material and to ask something else with the chatbot and to receive the valuable insight from the chatbot. The next one is grammar and writing assistant, translation and comprehension, personalized and vocabulary building. Now the next one is teacher support system. Whether we are talking about the curriculum design, we are talking about the particular scheme, so definitely teacher support system will be there. So in terms of the teacher support system, the lesson planning and analytics will be there. We can easy to plan the particular type of the teaching by offering the intelligent tools, and we can also apply the AI based tools for lesson planning. We can also plan the number of lesson, what kind of whether you are taking any kind of course from Coursera, from EDX or udemy.com, then definitely lesson planning will be there. How many lessons are there, how many lectures are there, who will be teach. So each and every information you can easy to plan with the help of the AI based tools. Now in terms of the AI in lesson planning, first we need to manage the curriculum mapping and alignment, automated lesson plan generation, resources recommendation, differentiated instruction suggestions, Now, analytics and monitoring part, where student performance and dashboard, we can easy to manage or create a student performance dashboard, and we can easy to monitor their performance, learning progress tracking, what kind of things are going there, and we can easy to track the learning progress, how many tutorials, how many video, how many assignment. The next one is predictive analytics, assessment, feedback, automation. So these kind of things are easily managed by the teaching support system. The next one is how, what will be the impact on teaching learning outcomes. Definitely the curriculum has been designed by the teacher, but now the impact for what? So the AI is profoundly reshaping education. Again, I would say the AI does improvise, does enhance the effectiveness, equity, and efficiency for both teaching and learning. When AI technologies contribute to improved student outcomes, empowered educators, and personalized learning environment. So, number of key areas are there: personalized learning skill, improved academic performance. We can easy to improvise the academic performance of the student as well as the teacher. Data-driven instructional decision, enhanced teacher efficiency. That will be again useful part. Greater student engagement and support for diverse learners, because this time for the interdisciplinary research. So definitely we can easy to apply the pedagogy or AI based curriculum design for better outcome of the teaching learning. So definitely it will be more helpful for all of us. Now, the next slide is based on the opportunities and benefits of the AI in education. What kind of opportunities and benefits are there in terms of the AI in education? Because we have already discussed in the previous slide the AI does play a vital role. So now the key opportunities are there: personalized learning path, again it is repeat, intelligent tutoring and support, smart content resource creation, real-time feedback assessment, enhanced educator productivity, predictive analytics, early intervention, lifelong and global learning, administrative and institutional efficiency. It will be more beneficial part for any institution who want to improvise their efficiency and enhance their productivity. Then definitely uh, they can easy to adopt the AI in education part. So now, if you talk about the benefits in a summarized way, then definitely the stakeholders will be student, teachers, institutions, parents, and lifelong learners. So the variety of the opportunities will be there, and we can easy to take the advantage of the AI in terms of the education. Moving on the next slide, where we will discuss about the ethical, social, and pedagogical consideration, how it does work. So the AI is become an integral part of the educational ecosystem. It is vital to address the ethical, social, and pedagogical implication to ensure the responsible and equitable use. So in terms of the ethical, it should be based on the data privacy and consent. We need to take a consent from anyone to perform something specific type of the operation on the basis of the data. So that will be a part of the ethical consideration. Bias and fairness, transparency and explainability, autonomy and control. Now the social consideration, equity in access. Each and every student can easy to access. Teacher student relation, it does also increase the teacher student relationship, digital literacy and training. Pedagogical consideration, role of the teacher will be more defined. Curriculum integration will be more improvised. Critical thinking versus automation. These are the major aspects in terms of the ethical, social and pedagogical consideration. Now, what will be the future of AI in terms of the education? We have already discussed with the lot of slide in the past 1 hour, because we have already used different kind of AI, and definitely we are using the variety of the AI tools in nowadays. But right now the question will be there, that what will be the future classroom powered by the AI. So definitely each and every institution is using the different kind of AI tools for making their classes dynamic, personalized, and intelligent. But right now, the AI will reshape educational space to be adaptive, inclusive, and insight rich. So, if you want to make a future classroom powered by AI, then definitely different kind of features will be there. Personalized, again, the personalized learning part, smart class assistant, real-time learning analytics, immersive and augmented experiences, emotion-aware AI system, and we can also adopt the AI tools, intelligent tutoring system, predictive analytics. As I earlier said, with the help of the machine learning, we can also apply the predictive analytics, AI writing and reading aids, voice activated assistant, classroom behavior. We can also apply classroom behavior tracker, and we can also monitor the number of students for the better improvisation with their behavior. Now the next one is how to integrate generative AI in learning. So I have already quote an example about the Chat GPT, Google Gemini. These are the generative AI tools, and they provide the content on demand as per the user. So if you want to adopt such kind of tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, then definitely we can easy to apply the conversational learning, creative content generation, on demand support, because these are the interactive collaborator in the learning process. Whether you are using the ChatGPT and you need to write a specific paragraph about the NEP policy 2020, then definitely the chat GPT will provide the one paragraph or two paragraph. Now if you want to summarize, then it will be summarized by the chat GPT. So definitely the two different kind of tools will be there, and we can easy to give the minimize efforts and access the lots of useful or meaningful data with the help of the generative AI. So variety of the application are there with the help of the generative AI, interactive tutoring and question answer support, content creation for educators, language and writing assistance, coding and STM learning, critical thinking and debate. Now we can also apply the different kind of generative AI tools for the best practice. Teach AI literacy. Student must learn to verify and evaluate AI response. Use a complement, not a replacement to teaching. Combine AI tools with active learning strategy, group work, project, collaborative work like Google Workspace, like Google Sheet, Google Slide, Google Docs, Google Classroom, Zoom, Microsoft Team, Google Meet. Maintain academic integrity and promote responsible. We can also apply the Turnitin, Quillbot, Grammarly, I authenticate. Now the next one is Drillbit software. So variety of the things are there and variety of tools are there to integrate the generative AI for the learning purpose. Now come to the next part where we will discuss about the global trends and research direction, because AI is very popular among each and every stakeholder. So what are the global trends and research direction with the help of the AI? So mainstream adoption in AI at tech, government and policy level initiative we can easy to take. We can also focus on the lifelong and personalized learning. We can also adopt the we can also include an accessibility enhancement, rise of multimodal and generative AI. The next one is key research direction in AI for the education, AI ethics and governance, explainable AI in learning environment, intelligent assessment system, emotional AI. Now the emotional intelligence will be there, human AI collaboration. We can use this healthcare and education system also, cultural and linguistic adaptability, cyber security and data privacy. So these are the key research direction where the AI will be more helpful. Now come to the strategic implementation guideline. What kind of training required for the faculty and student for AI adoption? if any faculty as a teacher or as a learner, as a student wants to adopt the AI for the further enhancement in education, then what kind of things? Now we can easy to apply for the faculty training, empowering educator for AI enhancement teaching goal, understand how AI can improve. Because we have already discussed in the previous slide how AI can improve teaching, assessment and learning engagement, how to integrate the AI tool like ChatGPT. We should already use. We should use the ChatGPT adaptive platform LMS plugin into pedagogy, because if you are a teacher and want to deliver something in front of the class, then definitely you need to adopt the LMS. Different kind of LMS are there, so you need to adopt each and every type of LMS as per your requirement for the better enhancement in the pedagogy, teaching pedagogy. Now, to build digital and AI literacy to guide student responsibly. Apart from this, variety of the key components are there. AI fundamental for educators, pedagogical application for AI, hands-on workshop. We should conduct time to time hands-on workshop for the teacher as well as the learner, where student and teachers get different kind of advantage regarding the AI and its associated tools and technologies. Ethical and practical consideration. Definitely, if we want to adopt the AI, then we should aware about the ethical and practical consideration of the AI. Certification and continuous development. Now come to the student training part. The goal will be there, foster AI literacy and critical thinking, enable responsive creativity and informed use of AI tools, prepare student for AI driven workforce. Key components, again I would say the student should be aware about the AI concept, learning enhancement, digital data literacy, critical evaluation, AI output, ethical use of output. Now for the purpose of student training, we should suggest the training methods in terms of the workshop, boot camps, online course and MOOCs, hackathons, innovation lab, peer mentoring programs, AI literacy clubs and forums, and institutional support required also be there. Curriculum integration, we can also design a curriculum for each and every program with the help of the AI module. Policy and ethics guideline, tools, access, infrastructure, maybe internet will be there, different kind of devices will be there, different kind of platform will be there. Recognition and incentive. Institutional, any institution who wants to apply the training for the student as well as the teacher, they should offer badges, certification or credit for the AI related training. Now come to the major aspect that will be based on the policy recommendation for AI in education. It is directly interact with the educational ecosystem to ensure that AI is used ethically, equitably, and effectively. Well-crafted policies must support innovation while safeguarding learner rights, empowering educators, aligning with the national education goal. So these are the some fundamental aspect about the policy recommendation. Develop a national AI education strategy, ensure data privacy security, promote AI literacy, because we all are aware about the AI, but not fit for choosing the AI in the education. So we should promote AI literacy for all stakeholders to foster inclusive and equitable AI use, mandate transparency and explainability, establish ethical use guideline, support research innovation, standard accreditation for AI tools, build monitoring evaluation mechanism, collaborative on global AI education initiatives. Now, this particular slide is based on the overall conclusion and engagement of this particular session. So we have discussed about the fundamental concept of the AI. We have already discussed about the different kind of tools, technology. We have discussed about the AI in assessment with the help of its relevant things, tools, how the assessment will be done by the teacher, and how can we design a curriculum with the help of the AI, how can we improvise the effective teaching with the help of the. These are the some aspect which were already explained in the previous slide. So the summary of this particular session is based on the transforming teaching and learning, enhancement, accessing practice, data-driven insight. We already discussed AI-powered educational tool, teacher empowerment, equity, accessibility, ethical, social, policy consideration, literacy essential, future classroom. We have already discussed about the future classroom. What should be planned by the institution as a form of the strategic implementation. So all these things are already covered in the previous slide. Now I would say the empowering educators and enhancing learning. So the major thing about this particular session is that empowering educators and enhancing learners. So it is all about from my side. Thank you one and all present here. If any question, then you may ask.
So we have a question in chat box.
Just a minute. So first question is from Anjali Soni. Please give one example in detail, like an online assessment of a student. Okay, so in the pandemic situation or not for the pandemic situation, you can easy to use the Google Classroom. Whether you are using Google Classroom now, you can easy to upload assign an assignment for the students. Whether you can easy to upload the simple paper or maybe quiz. So you can also assign the particular marks for the assignment. Whether the student will submit the assignment and then automatically grade will be mark for the each and every question. You can also apply the marks for each and every question. No need to check each and everything. You just automatic totaling by the Google Classroom, and you can also apply the particular tools with the help of the Google form. Then definitely the assessment of the student will be more improvised. So you can easy to apply the Google Classroom for the further assessment of the assignment by the student. Now, is there any measure for the academic integrity for using AI tools? It is a good question, but I would say regarding the PhD purpose, you can easy to maintain the integrity of the data, because sometimes we are taking the data from any particular resources, or sometimes we are using the data from any other particular website or the external resources. So now the measurement of the academic integrity should be more required, because we need to check whether the data is original or not, because we need to check the particular data with the help of the some plagiarism checking tools like Turnitin or Drillbit. Also you can easy to check and you can easy to maintain the academic integrity, because if you are not using any kind of tool and you don't check the integrity or originality of the data, then definitely 100% plagiarism will be there, and this will be directly reflect on the academic integrity of the particular institution. So definitely if you are working as a PhD supervisor, if you are working as a PhD scholar, then definitely academic integrity should be on by you, because you need to check the data before publishing. So you need to check your academic integrity, that if you are taking the particular images from the someone else, then definitely you need to cite, you need to give the credit for the particular data. So I think it will be more beneficial to maintain the academic integrity. I am not sure to maintain the 100% integrity, but right now if you are taking the particular data from the someone else, then definitely you need to give the credit for the particular data that is taken by you from the someone else, right? So I think the okay, the next question is from Pooja Sharma. The teachers know about AI ethics in teaching. But what about the student? They think they can replace our teaching using AI tools. How will be managed? Again, I would say we should always conduct such kind of boot camp, such kind of sessions or workshop for the student, where we can easy to aware them about the AI tools and technology, and also aware about the ethics and consideration. Definitely, nobody has rights or nobody can change the teacher through the AI. A teacher is, again, I would say a teacher is a special things, because we all are educators. So I would say the teacher is again the additional part, but right now the AI is only based on the your input. So what kind of input are using, then definitely AI will be work. So the teaching cannot be replaced by the AI, but now the AI will be replaced by the AI can be replaced by the teachers, because the teacher have lots of potential to make something else. So what kind of things are going on through the AI, definitely it's up to you. Then we need to focus on the input data. If the data will be accurate, then definitely result will be accurate. So I think this is a hypothetical answer, definitely, but right now I am being a teacher, I would say that the AI, any AI tools can't possibility to change the teachers. So we need to try, we should try to conduct such kind of workshop for the student, where they will be happy to learn and understand behind the concept of the AI in education. So I think complete.
Sir, good evening.
Yes, yes, sir.
Sir, how a teacher enhance this pedagogy and assessment ideas in the teaching profession? You have explained.
How the
You
teachers?
already explained. But you have conducted any workshop related with this pedagogy and assessment, sir?
Sorry, sir, I could not get your query.
Sir, you have presented the pedagogy and assessment of AI tools for using the academic data. So I'm asking that you have conducted any workshop on the AI
Yes,
tools?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sure, sure. We can.
You have any a small presentation in your hand now? Can you show to us the other teachers and will understand how the pedagogy and assessments are assessed by using the AI tools?
Yes, yes, yes.
So that
Yes,
maybe we can learn more and more by understanding the AI
yes,
tools.
yes, yes, sir. Sure, sure. We can
That
conduct.
will requesting you, Professor.
Bilkul, sir. Sure, sir. We
Yeah,
can
before
conduct
that, you
a.
can show the slides for us. That may be easier for us.
Okay, okay. We can conduct a separate workshop for the AI curriculum design, and especially for the pedagogy, because the traditional pedagogy will be there, and we all are using the traditional pedagogy as per the requirement of the particular scheme, particular the program. Now I have already discussed in the during the presentation. Now the pedagogy will be based on the your curriculum, your scheme, your COPO, your PSO, your educational outcome, your COPO containment. Now again the assessment part will be based on the Bloom taxonomy. So definitely each and everything I think we all are using, but right now what will be the role of the AI? So definitely we can easy to separate a particular we can easy to plan a separate workshop, where we can easy to focus on the AI for the curriculum design, only for the curriculum design. But right now today's session will be based on the how to empower the AI in education. That's why I have used the pedagogy as well as the assessment. So I think it will be if the mayor sir will allow me to conduct a separate session for the AI in curriculum design, I think that will be beneficial for all of us to improve our curriculum with the help of the AI tools and its relevant technologies. So I think it would be more beneficial.
And now the Indian government also providing to enhance the academic learnings for the teachers from the elementary levels.
Sure, sure, sir. Sure.
Yeah. So you provide something else with us that may be easier for us to understand. Thank you for
Yes,
your yeah.
I will
Very
send.
clearly presented everything.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. catching points you have to tell you.
I will send
What
each and
question we are
everything.
having? That's why we're asking for the next question. Out of
Okay,
the
okay, sir. Okay. Thank
assessment.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. So
We
I
have one more
yes,
question in chat box from Deepak
yes,
and Kumaravelapu.
yes.
Pau.
Again, the question already I answered apart from Google Classroom. Now the next one is how Bloom's taxonomy be accommodated in curriculum design by any AI tool. So definitely AI tool can be more useful for the question paper setting. So definitely we can apply the Bloom taxonomy like 6th level will be applied there. We can use the different kind of marks with the help of the levels of the Bloom taxonomy. So I think it will be more beneficial if the question paper will be based on the Bloom taxonomy and we will apply the uh, different kind of levels like what we explain, how list stated, different kind of things are there. So the AI will be more helpful. But apart from AI, you can easy to setting up a question paper with the help of the Bloom taxonomy. So that will be start from the K1 to K6. So I think this is the good answer. But right now, if any kind of AI tools that we can apply, then that will be more flexibility to prepare a question paper more effective for the particular program or the courses. Now the next question is from Arav Singh. How can remove plagiarism with the help of the AI? Whether you are trying to publish your research paper in the Springer or maybe other kind of Scopus Index journal, so they will ask you less than 5% AI or less than 5%, sorry, less than 10% Turnitin. So definitely you can take a Turnitin plagiarism checker software and you can easy to check the percentage of the plagiarism, whether the percentage of the plagiarism will be based on the 20%. But right now the journal is required the less than 10%. Then how to reduce the plagiarism? You need to apply the paraphrasing technique with the help of the such kind of AI tools that is will be based on the Grammarly, that will be based on the Quillbot. So we can adopt such kind of tools and definitely reduce the plagiarism and make the integrity of the data. But it will be based on the premium version. So definitely you should try to premium version to reduce the plagiarism as per your requirement. I think no more question will be there. I think, ma'am.
Any
Over
more?
to ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So thank you, sir, for delivering such an insightful and engaging session. A comprehensive coverage of how artificial intelligence is reshaping the assessment strategies and pedagogical practices was not only enlightening but also highly relevant to the future of education. Your insights on education innovation with AI in global perspectives truly brought clarity to how we as educators can leverage AI to enhance learning outcomes, personalize instruction, and make data-driven decisions in the classroom. The session undoubtedly motivated us to rethink traditional academic practices, encouraging a more forward-thinking and student-centric approach to teaching and assessment. We are deeply grateful for the time, effort, and expertise you have shared with us today, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. We request the participants to switch on the camera for a group picture.
Sir, please unshare the screen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We request to all the participants, please open your webcam for having screenshot. And also, small announcement. We have started the symposium series, and throughout the year, we are organizing the several programs on the based of the problems which we are facing in our class, in our research problems, etc. So, sir, you are welcome once again. If you are interested to deliver a special session on curriculum or how we can design, how we can develop, the platform is open for all the participants. So any participant or any institute willing to organize such type of the activity for the specific program or for the institute for the departmental level, always welcome. And simply you need to contact or drop email, and surely we will support you. Also, feedback form is there in the chat box. I request to all the participants, please submit your feedback form. And once again, thank you to all. And special invitation for the tomorrow. Tomorrow is our last day of this ongoing program, and also there will be validity. So I request to all the participants, please join the session at the right time. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you to all.
Should I leave, sir?
Yeah, now we can leave the meeting, and all the participants are again requested. Please click on the Google Form feedback link and submit it timely.
Okay, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.